One of the darkest truths in life is this: not everyone deserves access to you. Some people don't come to heal your life, they come to drain it. They bring chaos, drama, negativity disguised as friendship. And the worst part, while they waste your energy, they are stealing the one thing you can never get back: time. Every second you spend around toxic people is a piece of your life disappearing forever. That's why you must protect your peace, protect your mind, protect your energy. Treat your time like gold ores. Guard it, protect it, invest it wisely. Because one day, your clock will stop. And when that moment comes, you won't care about the money you made. You'll care about the time you gave away to people who never deserved it. Choose wisely who gets access to your life, because time is the most valuable thing you will ever own.